Hi, Saisa. Kamusta na? So, can you first greet your fellow street photographers dito sa Pilipinas?
Hello, mga maniniyo ng kalsada.
Iyayin mo kumain. Kumakain ka, hindi ka nag-aalok. Ito, katatapos lang ni Saisa. Sunod-sunod ang mga interview niya sa ABS, Channel 5, GMA. So, how does it feel na ngayon isa ka ng sikat na street photographer? So, yung sinasabi natin sa street photography na rockstar. So, rockstar na ba ang feeling mo ngayon?
Tagal na akong rockstar sa Facebook pa yan. Oo, nakakatawa. It's actually very overwhelming. Kasi hindi ko alam na ganito. Akala ko simpleng talk lang. Tapos ganito pala yung sinet up ng Fujifilm. Parang, wow! Parang feeling ko kanina, oh my God, di man ako ng polvo.
Alam mo, magsasalita ka lang sa para may presentation ka lang.
Oo, presentation lang. Yung pala, ganun pala ka...
Yung pala lahat ng networks nandito para interviewin ka.
It was really shocking experience. It was parang, hindi ko alam na ganito kalaki yung ng Fujifilm for me. So, parang nagulat talaga.
So, during your mga interviews naman, ano yung mga nasabi mo sa kanila na sa palagay mo, yung mga messages na you want them to get across sa mga Pilipinos?
Na never judge someone. Because you don't know the battle if that person is fighting. When you look at me, do you see a domestic helper na naghihirap? No. People see me as a very strong woman. They don't know that I work very hard and I'm the type of person na very family-oriented. And kumbaga, judging someone won't get you anywhere. So, it's better if you know the person first. Alamin mo muna kung ano yung kwento bago mo siya ng isang tao. Hopefully, people will see that being a domestic helper is not a low-class job. It's just a job. It's same as being a manager, same as being a CEO. At the end of the day, we all earn the same money. Siguro mas malaki sa kanila. Or ano, but the smell of the money, the texture of the money is the same. So, maybe I can get that message na huwag mamali yung OFW. Kasi OFWs are your modern heroes. It keeps the country afloat. Pero sana hindi lang sa remittance na modern heroes. Sana i-treat din talaga as heroes.
So, in terms naman sa photography, sa palagay mo anong kulang dito sa Filipino street photography scene para mas mag-improve siya?
Kulang tayo sa solidarity. We tend to destroy each other, go on top of each other so that parang, alam mo yun, parang it's a war. It's parang yung movie na yun na nagpapatayan sila.
Parang Gangs of New York, ano?
Yeah.
Gang war. So, groups against groups.
Yeah, for me it's really bad kasi you can have groups. It's normal. But sana kung pwedeng hindi na dapat mag-away. Diba? Kasi parehas lang naman tayo gustong kumuha ng pumitik, diba? Parehas lang naman tayo ng gustong gawin. Punong-puno tayo ng talent. Puno lang tayo sa tamang attitude.
So, in terms na sinasabi mo yung before nabubuli ka, so, can you enlighten us more kung ano yung nangyayari?
People tend to bully those newbies, yung mga baguhan, because we don't know what we're doing, right? Kasi, street photography is hard, that's true. Hirap, kasi marami ka talagang aralan. It's not just going to the street and taking photos of the street. But the problem with the more veteran street photographers, instead of welcoming the newbies, they tend na chupin. Parang lalo nilang tinatakot. Nakakatakot na ngayong gagawin mo, tapos tatakupin mo pa.
So, imbis na encourage, na di-discourage?
Yeah, meron pa ngayong mga issue nila na commercializing the street photography. It's like I'm opening street photography to everyone. And ang masama doon, for me, it's very good because not everyone can appreciate street photos. Pero ngayon, parang, ganun pala yun. An ordinary eye can appreciate a street photo, which is very good for me. Baka may pagdana mo yung art is for everyone.
So, last question na, Saisa. We know that medyo pagod ka sa biyahe. So, what do you advise a budding street photographer about paano maging kasing sikat katulad mo ngayon at your level?
Tingnan, advice ko lang keep shooting and somebody else told you na hindi para sa'yo yung genre na yun. tell him, fuck you. Huwag mo hayaan. Don't let anyone tell you that you cannot do it. Because everybody can do it. It's just how passionate we are. Yun, dun lang talaga nagbabago eh. Dun lang yung difference na lang talaga is how passionate a person can be sa craft niya. Like me, I shoot everything. Parang yun lang yung difference sa akin I find my photos ordinary. Pero, I'm very passionate about taking photos.
Thank you, Saisa. So, any last few words sa mga street photographers dito sa Pilipinas?
Dapat tayo, love.
Love.
Walang ano. Sabi na ni Robin, dapat puro pag-ibig.
Okay, thank you very much, Saisa.